I just lose
7614, 7689, east 222, medium clear, Pointer Rock.
276. I literally just got here. Literally. I got here about a minute ago. 30 seconds a minute. Alright, 276 eastbound 222.
CSX 76-14, 7689, east to approach. East Rock, sir.
Approach? East Rocks? Okay. I didn't hear that right. That means somebody's in times 2 and 1. Or something coming on to, I don't know.
CSX BC dispatch Jacksonville, Q276-14 hour.
Uh-oh.
7614, answer BC, over. Morning, guys. Lead into milepost, over. Lead into CSX 7689 and milepost BA 42.3, there, Wolf. Alright, copy that. Track department following you east, no reverse moves, over. Understand, track department following us east, no reverse moves. I got his 415 band with a helper, so he should make it no problem. I'll get you off behind as soon as I can. Get yours number 1 track, over. Alright, sounds good. I appreciate the heads up. See you then. 76. Yep.
Figures. 415 with helpers? Ah, I missed them. Nuts. No wonder you got approach out of these rocks. Well, I knew I was gonna miss the mix rate. I knew I got miss 415. But you know me come through before 7 anyway. I got a feeling that I missed the empty core train with 4 engines. I did see a double clear at Whiteville when I was coming hill. That was about 45 minutes ago ish. He's still coming. Oh, wait. I think it's the last call. Nope, still coming. Dang, is he still coming? Yeah, still coming. Dang. Okay, where's the last call? He's a big one today. Is the last call? Yep. I was wondering where the last call is. 276, you guys look good. Walk on the wheel. I think it's on height, but I'm not sure. (276) eastbound 22. I can see him through though. Let's see here. There he is. So I can see him get out the blinker. Oh, yeah. Alright, here he goes. Alright.